and welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing a natural hair video, which I'm so excited about. Sunday I ordered some Afro Kinky clip-ins from Amazon. They came today. Well, this is the hair, and then this has 3 clips on it. It comes with 7 pieces. I have all of the rest of the hair right here, and I'm not sure exactly what hairstyle and do today, because usually when I do my wash and goes, they don't come out as good as I want them to. So that was the point of me buying clip-ins, because with my wash and goes, usually my hair frizzes up and I lose length, and I'm not really liking how it goes. So let's see how today's video will go, and let's get started now. Okay, so the hair company I brought this hair from is called Anrosa, and I got this off of Amazon, and the link will be in the description box below. So this is what the hair came inside of with this box. It's 1B. I got it in 14 inches. It also came with some lashes and just like some instructions on how to wash and take care of the hair. This is the hair outside of its packaging. I like how it looks so far. It's nice and full and fluffy. Usual, we're gonna wash the hair. I always wash my bundle hair and any kind of hair for wigs, weaves, or whatever, just to be safe. So we're gonna just wash. I did wash the shampoo, and I also conditioned it after. So I've been just wearing my hair in a ponytail for a few days now, and I'm just gonna take that out and just detangle my hair some, just to make sure, you know, there's no knots and kinks in it before I start my hair. So I decided on doing a side part, like a somewhat deep side part for my hair. I'm going to be doing basically a wash and go is what we're going to be trying to do today, and I'm just going to be adding the clip-ins, so when my hair shrinks up it will have more length. I'm going to start parting my hair in the back, and this is where the longest like clip-in with the 4 clips is going to go in the back. And before I do that, I'm just going to get my spray bottle and wash. I'm going to get my spray bottle, and I'm just going to spritz up my hair. Apologize for the lighting, because it will be going in and out, because as usual I'm using natural lighting. I'm going to be using this curling twisting custard from Cream of Nature, and I'm going to be also using my Eco gel just to get that little curl pattern I need to blend in with my clip-ins. I haven't used clip-ins in my hair in a very long time, so I'm really excited to see how this is going to come out. I did have a few issues trying to clip them in my hair, but eventually I got it. It's been a while. And what I'm going to be doing, because I did not record it correctly, I'm going to be basically just twisting my hair and the clip-ins together to do a twist out. I'd also like to mention that the 7 clips wasn't enough for my hair, so I did change my part a little bit. I just made it a little higher just to make it stretch it, because my hair is really thick, and when I was doing the parting with the clip-ins, I had noticed that it wasn't enough, but I had made it work, of course. So after I'm done trying to lay my edges down, I'm just gonna take this styling strip like paper, and I'm going to wrap that around my hair. I didn't record this part, the part of me. I sat under my dryer for maybe about 10 minutes, which was like a fail, because I should have known my hair and its thickness. I need a longer time to sit under the dryer, but I don't know why I was rushing for what. I don't know, and I did not let it take time to dry, so I wound up not leaving my hair like this, because as you can see, it's a mess. Guys, so it's the next day. The twist out that I tried to do yesterday did not work out, so I just decided to do a braid out, and I put some perm rods at the ends of my hair to make it curly, And I'm just dolled up for no reason. I was just playing around in makeup. I wasn't even supposed to do lashes and this color lipstick. I was supposed to do just gloss, but I got excited. So I'm just gonna get ready to take my hair down and fluff it, and we'll see the end results of my hair when I'm done. So I'm going to be taking some coconut oil, and I'm just going to put some of that on my hair and rub it throughout my hair before I unravel my braids, just because like my hair was feeling a little dry. And if you guys have any suggestions on maybe some hair products that's moisturizing for my hair, for braid outs or twist outs, please feel free to leave that below. So starting in the back, I'm just trying to unravel my hair as gently as possible because I don't really want to disturb the braid pattern when I take my hair out. I'm just going to take my pick now and just try to gently pick out my hair just to give it some volume. I don't want to really go too crazy with it because I don't want frizz, and I know how my hair is. It will frizz up, so I'm just trying to be gentle and just pick it out and just fluff it and give it some volume. At least we died together, that's what I thought. I woke up again, leather, am I out of pocket? She ain't got no soul, she ain't got no heart. Levels done you wrong. I did have some product build up in the front of my hair and a little bit throughout my hair where I had my braids, but I'm just going to put some more coconut oil on after that just so it's not showing as much. And if any of you guys have any suggestions of any, products that doesn't, get that white cast and stuff in it, please again feel free to leave anything down in the comment section below. Now I'm just going to get my Murray's Edge Wax and some of my Eco Styler gel, and I'm going to just try and lay my edges down some a little bit. I think I've mentioned this a few times in a few of my hair videos. I am not the best at trying to lay my edges down, but I'm doing what I can. When my mother says she want me to be married and happy at home, not high and low. And to spice up this look a little bit, I'm just going to add in a few hair clips that I got from my dollar store just to make it a little jazzed up and pretty. Here's a quick look at the back of my hair. As I mentioned, I needed more clip-ins, so it's not as full as I would have wanted it, but I made it work. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you're not already. Until next time, guys. Later.